Yep, sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. As an Orlando Pirates supporter and a football analyst, I'm here to enlighten you guys about something engingayiboni. Mina angifuni nithi umlilo wamaphepha umlilo. Umlilo wamaphepha umlilo. No. You know, iplayer elidlala ku-Sundowns, iplayer elisuka ku-Sundowns or elidlala ku-Sundowns fanele kulihloniphe. Yeah. Sipho Mbula azange afithe ku-Sundowns. You know why? Sundowns ine-quality. Yeah. Yena deep inside abantu bangangiphikisa bathi hayi akuna-quality. uSipho Mbulu uyazi deep inside ukuthi ku-Sundowns angeke yena bengeke aze akhona ukubhentshwa ubani bathi ubani uMarcelo Allende. Let's be honest, Sipho Mbulu akakhoni ukumaka, akakhoni ukugijima 90 minutes. Marcelo can run 90 minutes. Number 2, Sipho Mbulu cannot bench uThemba Zwane. Number 3, Sipho Mbulu cannot bench uTebogo Mokoena. That's the reason I Pirates. You know why? Pirates is easy. It's easy for to penetrate first level. Ngitshela istar Pirates akunani star si1 Pirates. Yes. That means ungeza udakiwe, you can still play for the Pirates. Into engizama ukunichazisela yona ukuthi you can ungafuni ukujima or ufike late ejimeni, but you can make it to i-lineup. Ku-Sundowns would never do that. Sundowns iposition inama-player ayi-5 abest. Angikhulumi ngabantu aba-edisibalo abest. Yes. That's why ama-player amaningi uwahloniphe mawayothi ayodlalela i-Sundowns lawo ma-player. Abo-Jayden Adams, abo-Basadini bahloniphe. Abasabi i-competition, abo-Sipho Mbulu, abo-Lorch basabi i-competition. Once i-team iba ne-star sekaba ne-attitude. Abo-Maswanganye, so Maswanganye basabi i-competition, akusiyo idala abantu. They are only nibabiza ngey'tanga ngoba badlalela ama-team ekugcwele iy'nkomo. Abo-Sipho Mbulu, Pirates igcwele ngey'nkomo phela. Let's be honest, gcwele ngey'nkomo. So that's why makafika lapho uzoshaya. Check uGustin Sirino, Kaizer Chiefs. Gaston Sirino is star Kaizer Chiefs. Mara ungamthatha umbuyisele ku-Sundowns akabonakali. Akabonakali. University of Football leya. And fanele siyibonge for qualify World Cup. Singathi hey Hugo Bruce ukhathe uyenze i-cut and paste ye-Sundowns. Danko.